Okay, my name is Kevin Kere. I come from Rongnot. I was born in 1993 in 17th September 1993. I'm in Form 2 at Rongnot Secondary School. I'm in a family of 7, of whom all of them are alive. My parents are alive, and my favorite subjects are mathematics and all the sciences. My wishes in life is to join Jomo Kenyatta University, to go to abroad, going for explorations and all those. Now, as here in our areas, you can see the grass here is very dry. Right now there are some rainy seasons, and we are very happy. And now my aim in my life is to success, to help other people who are in need, to do good to those people who are being in captives, those who are not able to live their lives. That's my wishes. And my desire, what I hate is hypocrisy, those people who hate other people, those people who dislike other people, peer pressure, and doing what is wrong. And what I like is doing what is right all the time, going, sharing what other people have, and all those. Be blessed. Amen.